The racer's net since 1993. We have a whole box of parts that has arrived in 2 days, from talking to them to discussing a plan on how to go about fixing this again. And looks like all the boots are here to rebuild that, or not, at least get it back to where it looks good. There are a few things here. Hey you guys, stop it. Hey. Alright. Okay, so we got plenty of bands here, which I think could be a good thing. Okay, and we've got this handy little tool from RCV, which is the RCV Premium Banding Tool. With that, we have the bender cutter, and we have the ratchet tightening tool. This goes in here like that. Lock that in. Put your cable in the very end tip here, and start the other end onto, I believe it's this side. You put your band in here. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Going in, I believe, like this. Might be backwards. Okay. Anyway, I'll figure it out. Goes in one way or the other, right through all that. Slide it into that little slot there. Start peeling away. Once you get it tight, you bend it over backwards. Pull this little lever here. Should cut the excess material. And tighten down your little band ends right here on the end. Right there. Those two little guys. Okay, well, I pulled this in here. And take a look at the axles that are going to come out, which unfortunately something's not working right. But check this out. The band seems to have come off and slung grease everywhere, so that'll be quite a mess to clean up. Okay, so here's an interesting thing. Even though this side has the blown boot, it rides perfectly smooth. So I wonder, put it on, I noticed I had a binding or something, but listen, comes right out of this side, and it sounds like it's on the outer hub. It looks like the axle shaft doesn't even spin in a stationary location. It's bouncing up and down. I don't know if that's normal or what, but there, it just locked up. Ooh. Didn't even want to turn. Goes okay that way. I think it's this side.
And it has a little bind in it. It's a little tiny, right there. Bind.
It's not all the time.